In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics in Elementor. So adding Google Analytics to your Elementor built WordPress website can be achieved using Elementor's custom code feature available in Elementor Pro or by utilizing a dedicated Google Analytics plugin. So to do that, first head over to elementor.com in order to actually create an account or click on this login option in order to log in. You can also head over to WordPress.com and then click onto this Get Started option or click onto this Login option in order to log into your account. I already have an account on both of this, so let me head over and log in. Here is my Elementor right here. First method is using the Elementor's custom code. Do take note that this one is available to the Pro plan, so you can head over and click onto this Upgrade to Pro option right here in order to get it. And once you're in there, you can just access your Google Analytics account from there. So you can also add a custom code at Elementor by going to your WordPress dashboard, and then from in there just go over right here to Elementor, click onto this custom code option, and then from in here you can just head over and upgrade your account, and then in there you just need to paste the copied Google Analytics tracking code into the code editor. So to get your Google Analytics tracking code, you can head over to a new tab and search in here for Google Analytics. Head over to your analytics.google.com option. Here it is right here. And then from in there, just copy or get the actual tracking code from there. So to do or get the actual tracking code, you can head over and then get in here your actual container, click onto these three dots, click onto this account settings, or you can also click on your user management option. You can also enter this particular container and click onto this gear icon. And then it should be able to open this, get in here the tracking code that should be able to appear, and then from in there just enter it right here onto your Elementor in order to utilize this. So that's how you add Google Analytics in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.